Hello and welcome, and as you can see, Miss Fatima has been utilizing her credit card. We did a little shopping over at the Jeffree Star website. The products took forever to get here, but that's okay. They finally arrived. There was a sale called 369. Things were on sale for $3, $6, or $9, so we took advantage of that. There was a product that I'd been eyeing, so we took advantage of purchasing that because that helped get us free shipping. And the mystery treats for summer were rolling out, so we utilized rolling of the dice, so to speak, to get a mystery palette and see what we've got. For the mystery treat eyeshadow palette, we paid $24, and it said you would get a palette with a retail suggested of up to $62. Our palette that came has a retail of $58. Unfortunately, we already have Jawbreaker, and that's a chance that you take when you do a mystery. You might get one that you already have. I want to do a few swatches. The camel wishes to do a few swatches. I need a brush. Let's get her a brush. And just to clarify, this is our palette. The one back here is the new one that we got, and that's going to be set aside for a gift. If you're not familiar with the Jawbreaker palette, this is what she looks like, and she does come with a mirror. And I need my brush. Impatient much? Well, yeah, I get to be impatient. Ish. Miss Fatima will now do some swatches of some of her favorite shades from this palette, although we do readily admit we have not used it as much as we had thought we would. Nice job with the swatches, Miss Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I like swatching, even if it is something we already had. But again, to clarify, we swatched from the one that we already had. The new one is set aside for a gift. And we are finding that the Jeffree Star palettes we're not really using. They're becoming more of a collector's item. Yes, we have not dipped into them as much as we thought we would. In other shopping adventures on the Jeffree Star website, we participated with the 369 sale. We got the Candy Cane Refreshing Spray. We spent $3. It has a retail of $22. And it has a glorious scent, and I'm trying to find, there we go, and a very light mist. Let's see if this works. Oh, that scent is divine. Yes, a very nice light mist and a nice light candy cane scent. Is it Christmas time yet? For $6, I picked out the Pumpkin Cashmere Candle. It has a suggested retail of... I gotta look at the list. $25. Yeah, that's right. This smells lovely. This one will definitely get some use at the holiday season. Maybe even before the holiday season. Yep. One of the things I like about these bullet lipsticks is the closure is magnetic. So it's less likely to come open in your purse, your backpack, or wherever else you're carrying it. So this is Pink Messiah, and this is what she looks like. Oh, that's a fun shade. Yes, it definitely is. And I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not. It is embossed on the outside with the Jeffree Star logo. We paid $3 for that, and it has a $20 retail. And as long as we were buying lipsticks, we bought another one in the shade, I want to say purple. It is in the shade Purple Pinkberry, Always Faithful. And again, it has the packaging. Hold on to that, Fatima. Please do not swallow it. And there is the shade. And these, that's a good amount of lipstick in there. I look forwards to using that one. Thank you. You're welcome. And last but certainly not least, we got this item. And oh, that packaging is adorable. Too stinking cute. This is in the shade Pale Yellow. It is a color corrector that is supposed to help dullness and dark circles under there. So I haven't opened it yet because I need to finish some other products. But as long as we were there, I was willing to fork out the full price for it, $20. That way we did not have to pay shipping. I don't mind paying shipping if I have to, yet if there's a product that I need that will get me free shipping, let's pay for the free shipping. Yes, let's. So what did you see in our haul that you liked? Let me know. I want to know. I'm an inquiring camel and I want to know all the details, so tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me. All totaled, the spending amount was $59. The shipping was free. We did have to pay tax. So all in, it was $63.60. Unfortunate about the duplicate on the eyeshadow palette. That's what happens when you pick a mystery. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. Check out something popping up on the screen. Have a great day, and we will hopefully see you soon. Bye-bye.